Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Noiseless Investment. Here we try to decode a company based on the fundamentals and get to know if the company is worth our investment or not. Please note I am not a SEBI registered advisor and these are my personal views based on the fundamentals of the stock. So kindly consult your financial advisor and do your due diligence before investing in this stock. So today we are going to do the fundamental analysis on Vinati Organics and get to know if the company is worth our investment or not. This is the website of Vinati Organics. You can visit the website and get to know more information about this company from here. Now let's move on to the website, screen a website and get to know more about it. So if we look into this company, then the current market price of this stock is 1823, and it was down by 0.57%. The stock PE is 40.9 and the industry PE is 25.7. So it is expensive than the industry PE. If we look into the ROCE, it is 30.3 for this year, and it has an impressive track records of ROCE for the last 10 years. So it is maintaining a healthy ROCE of more than 30%. Now if we look into the ROE is also good and it is maintaining the ROE above 20% for every year for the last 10 years. Now if we look into the debt on the company, that there is no debt on the company. The interest coverage ratio is quite good. It is 978. If we look into the current ratio, it is 4.51, which means that the company is having a lot of cash. However, the management is unable to utilize the entire cash and the other reserves that they are having. So the company is quite cash rich. Now if we look into the promoters holding, the promoters holding is 74.1, the FII's holding is 4.79 and the DII's holding is 7.9. So holdings of the company is in strong hands. And if we look into the changes in promoters holding, the promoters, they have not changed their holding. The FIIs, they have reduced their holding by 0.02%. The DIIs, they have even increased their holding by 0.02%. Now if we look into the pledged percentage, there is a very small amount of shares which are pledged. It is 0.66% and the sales growth is 29%. See, the profit growth is 32.1% CAGR. Now if we look into the sales growth, so they are quite good and it is above 20% mark. And if we look into the profit growth, they are in positive territory. And if we look into the earning per share, that is 44.6. Each stock of Vinati Organic is making 44.6 rupees for you in a year. And if we look into the operating profit margin, it is 28.6. So they are taking away 28.6 rupees in their pocket for every 100 rupees earned. Now if we look into the dividend payouts, the dividend payout is 15.6, which is not very impressive. And the dividend yield is also not very impressive. It's less than 1. If we look into the PEG ratio, it is 1.57, which leaves little room for the company to actually grow. This value should be less than 1. Now if we look into the ROIC, return on invested capital, then it is 27.8, which is good. This is very good. And if we look into the Altman Z score, it is 15. Piotrowski score is 8, which specifies that the company is having good financials. If we look into the return over 1 month, it is 0.1%. And if it is look into the return over 1 week, it is 0.03%. Return over 1 day is 0.57%, which is so we cannot say that the stock is completely in uptrend, or it has started to show the sign of uptrend as of now. So now let's look into the beta for Vinati Organic, and the beta is coming out to be 0.36. So it moves 1/3 the way the market moves, and it rises by 1/3 and it even falls by 1/3 of the market. Now let's look into the score for Vinati Organic. It is 6 out of 10. fundamentals is 1, earning is 1, fundamentals is 8, relative valuation is 3, risk is 10, and price momentum is 6. Now if we look into the chart structure of Vinati Organics, so Vinati Organics as of now, it is moving in this territory of 1851 till this run 1822, and there is a small gap which was created over here 1889. So as of now nothing can be said about this company, but if you look into the volume, so the volume is high and the price is degrading, so the price is going down and the volume is increasing, so that means the stock is in bearish trend as of now. But since we can say there is a gap that is created over here, so at least the stock can move up to 1889 in this. The RSI is around 42 as of now, 44, 42, and the MACD line is well above the red lines. However, we cannot say that it is in completely bearish trend until and unless the RSI crosses the red line. So that's it from the technical analysis side. Now let's move on to the fair value for Vinati Organics. So the fair values of Vinati Organic is coming out to be 1943, and there is a potential upside of 6.4%. The spread can be between 901 till 2373. These are the pros of the company, pros and cons of this company. You can just go through it and get to know more about this company. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the useful information on a regular basis. Thank you for now. Have a nice day. Thank you.